I often feel like I'm running a race. A relentless sprint towards an elusive finish line where success is defined by arbitrary matrices of social validation, by how many followers you have on social media, or by how much money you make. But what if I told you that it's okay to slow down? That it's okay to embrace a pace that feels right for you, even if it seems slower than others? In a society that glorifies hustle culture and instant gratification, it's easy to feel inadequate when your progress doesn't match the rapid pace set by your friends or people you see on the internet who is younger than you, has 3 kids, and cooks everything from scratch. If you know, you know. I found myself caught in a trap of comparison. I measured my worth against the achievements of those around me, constantly striving to keep up with the seemingly effortless strides of others. Maybe if I get skinnier, I'll book more jobs and finally have a sustainable source of income. Or maybe if I post 3 times a day for 6 months, I'll also reach 100,000 followers on TikTok or Instagram. Maybe if I work out more, I'll feel better about myself. But the more I chased after external markers of success, the further I felt from genuine contentment. It was only when I paused to reflect on my own life that I realized that sometimes you just need to be kinder to yourself and slow the fuck down. Slowing down doesn't mean dropping everything and giving up on your aspirations. For me, it means allowing yourself to live in the moment, to appreciate the lessons learned along the way, and to trust in the timing of your own growth. Imagine a planted seed in fertile soil. The progress may not be immediately visible, but with patience and nurturing, we eventually bloom in our own unique way. I've come to cherish the moments of stillness and contemplation that come with slowing down. By releasing the pressure to constantly keep pace with others, I found a sense of freedom and authenticity that I never knew existed. Of course, there are moments where I still find myself comparing myself to others, like someone achieving a milestone that I've yet to achieve, or why didn't I get that opportunity? But I've learned to recognize these moments as opportunities for self-reflection rather than sources of insecurity. Instead of viewing others' success as a measure of my own inadequacy, I choose to celebrate their achievements while remaining steadfast in my own journey. So, to anyone who feels like they're falling behind or not measuring up to the arbitrary standards set by others, your journey is unfolding exactly as it should, at a pace that is perfect for you. As people in this generation always say, trust in the process, and remember that life is not a race because, plot twist, it all works out.